Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is n power 3 divided by 2 equals 5 power 3 divided by 2. Now let's solve for all values of n. So we can make use of this identity if you have a power x times y. This equals a power x to the power of y. Applying this right here, we have n power 3 times 1 over 2. And this equals 5 power 3 times 1 over 2. Then let's transform it using this one here. And we can also have a power y to the power of x. So you can switch the exponent. So let's switch this exponent. We have n power 1 over 2 times 3 equals 5 power 1 over 2 times 3. And from here, you have n power 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 5 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Now, if you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. Applying this right here, we have square root of m to the power of 3 equals square root of 5 to the power of 3. Moving this down here, square root of n to the power of 3 minus square root of 5 to the power of 3 equals 0. Now, if you have a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2, which a equals square root of n, b equals square root of 5. So, applying that here, have square root of n minus square root of 5 times square root of n to the power of 2 plus square root of n times square root of 5 plus square root of 5 to the power of 2 equals 0. So from here we have square root of n minus square root of 5 times this eliminate this, I have n plus this multiplies this, we have square root of 5n plus this eliminate this, we have 5 equals 0. We equate each of these to 0. Of square root of n minus square root of 5 equals 0. We have n plus square root of 5n plus 5 equals 0. Let's solve this individual equation starting with this one here. Move this over here, we have square root of n equals square root of 5. This eliminate this. Of m equals 5. That is my n1. Now to solve this, I move 5 and n across equality sign. Have square root of 5n equals negative 5 minus n. In order to eliminate this square root here, I take the squares. This eliminate this. 5n equals negative 5 minus n times negative 5 minus n. So from here, 5n equals this times this. We have 25, this times this, plus 5n, this times this, plus 5n, this times this, plus n squared. 5n equals 25, plus 10n plus n squared. Move this over here, we have 0 here, equals 25 plus 10n plus n squared minus 5n. 10n minus 5n, that is 5n. 0 equals 25 plus 5n plus n squared. Let's rearrange this. N squared plus 5n plus 25 equals 0. So let's solve this using the formula method. We have n equals negative p plus or minus square root of p squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. A equals 1, which is the coefficient of n squared here. B equals 5, which is the coefficient of n. And C equals 25, which is the constant here. So we have n equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of 5 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 25 divided by 2 times 1. From here we have n equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of this is 25. This is 200 divided by 2. From here we have n equals negative 5. This is negative 75 divided by 2. This equals negative 5. This is square root of negative 1 times square root of 75 divided by 2. So from here, this is negative 5 plus or minus. This is I times square root of 75 divided by 2. This is negative 5 plus or minus I times. This is 25 times 3 divided by 2. This is negative 5 plus or minus I times square root of 25 times square root of 3 divided by 2. So from here we have n equals negative 5 plus or minus I times square root of 25 is 5 times root 3 divided by 2. So from here, I can factor out 5 over 2. We have negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values for n. So we simply have n2 equals 5 over 2 of negative 1 plus I root 3. We have n3 equals 5 over 2 of negative 1 minus I times root 3. So these are the two complex values for n. And we have one real value for n, which is 5 here. We can easily verify that by inserting the back into this equation. N power 3 over 2 equals 5 power 3 over 2. And n equals 5. So this is 5 power 3 over 2 equals 5 power 3 over 2. I take the squares if I want. Remember, a power n over m equals the m root of a power n. So I can decide to take the square root of 5 power 3 equals square root of 5 power 3. And 5 power 3 is 125. I have square root of 125 equals square root of 125. So both sides are the same, and that is it. Thank you and goodbye.